sir.
And mag-PPE on. Check the scene for safety.
Granting sinisafe, sir. Pwede na masud.
Sir, ako si Jose Alito Requero, trained nga business provider. Natong nanda.
Ning tubag pa ang pasyente, sir.
Makaupo ka? Sige, upo pa. Upo pa, Jud.
Kadagayan, sir, dili na maglingog ang patient. Munad na lang
Sir,
siya.
lean forward sa kanang sir, ha? Atag ko mo 5 back slaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Walay natagang nga object, sir.
Then, muhatag ko mo o abdominal thrust. Lean forward gamay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Walay natagang nga object, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Still, walay nalawa si patient, sir. Eventually, nakuyapan na lang si patient.
Check ang airway na abang obstruction.
Walay nakita nga obstruction, sir.
Ma'am, nga naka-beach yung pants, then cellphone kay purple ang case. Palagog tawa ko. Tarsier 117. Panadag BBM o BED. Nyabalot na kung makatawag ka. Perform po 30 chest compression.
Okay, proceed with the 30 chest compression.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check ang airway.
Walay visible nga object, sir.
Matag prescriptive blow.
First blow, air bounces back.
Position the head. Blow.
Still, air bounces back.
30 chest compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check the airway.
Okay, this time, sir, visible and pwede na makuha si object.
Reverse it. Away from you. Change gloves. Check the candle seal. Blow.
First blow, air passes through.
Blow.
Still, air passes through.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Karon, sir, na eye pulse but not breathing si patient.
Breathe in.
Okay, proceed with rest your breath.
Breathe. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1001. Breathe. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1002. Breathe. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1003. Breathe. 1002, 1003, 1004.
Okay, let's say last ni mo, sir, na rest your breath.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1024. Breathe. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
This time, sir, without pulse and not breathing si patient.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Breathe. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Breathe.
Okay, this time, sir, let's say last cycle of your one rescuer CPR. Then another rescuer arrives. Granting sinisafe, sir.
Sir, ako si Arjun, sir. Ako ay PCG ng Telegram.
Nice, 5. Breathe. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Still without pulse and breathing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Okay, let's say ako na lang si AD ha, para masalita. Let's say nga ni AD, sirs, do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Clear the victim. Shock advice.
Clear.
Clear.
Okay, everybody clear.
Everybody
Alright,
clear.
Double check. 1, 3, 1, 2.
Deliver shock now. Okay, shock delivered. It's now safe to touch patient. Continue CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
Okay, let's say mga sirs in the middle sa inyo ang CPR, ni-move ang patient.
Stop CPR. Check pulse. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 2009, 2010.
Okay, this time na pulse and breathing ang patient.
Recovery position.
Okay, perform recovery position.
Okay, so after recovery position, check secondary assessment, interview the victim or the significant other, sample history, then head-to-toe examination, check for decaf and PLS, then last is referral for further evaluation and management.
Okay, that ends ang inyong adult na station.